Welcome to this C++ episode about assignment operators. Before we talk about it, we'll go take a look back at arithmetic operators and assignment. So as you can see in this code, x is assigned to 5, so an assignment is only giving a value to a variable. And for the arithmetics operators, we saw it in the last video. If you didn't see it, go check it right now. I'll put a link right there. So as you see, for the sum, you just take two variables, or you can replace the variable by an explicit number, and you write the operator in between and it will do the operation. So the assignment operators is a mix of those two things. It's basically writing more simply an assignment with an arithmetic operation in it. So I'll write some code and we'll talk about it right after. Okay, so right there you saw that I wrote x plus equal 3. It's a bit strange if you are seeing this for the first time, but I will explain it to you in details. So you can see right there I commented x equals x plus 3. Why did I do that? Because it's exactly what this assignment operator does. It's just the shortened version and it's easier to write, faster to write, but it's still the same thing as this. It's only faster to write. So right there, it's like writing x equals x plus 3. So if we take a look at the output, we'll see 5 plus 3 equals 8. Right there, we see it's 8. So that's only for the plus operator, but you can do it with the minus, multiplication, division. You can even do it with modulo operators, and you can do it with bitwise operators, but we'll talk about bitwise operators in another video later on because it's too complicated for the level we're at right now. So that's it for the assignment operators. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like right now to help me. Also, you can subscribe right down there. It's free to do and it would help me a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.